Seeing an access denied error in Google Drive, yeah, that can stop you from opening, editing, or uploading files when you need them most. The good news is that this issue is often caused by permissions, account settings, or temporary sync problems. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Google Drive access denied error in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in with the Google account that actually has permission to access the file or folder. If you use multiple accounts, it's easy to open the wrong one by mistake. Switch to the correct account if necessary, then try opening the file again. If someone shared the file with you, verify that you still have permission to access it. The file owner may have changed or removed your access. If needed, contact the owner and ask them to review the sharing settings. Next, refresh the Google Drive page or sign out of your Google account and then sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary authentication issues. It's a quick step, but it often fixes unexpected access errors. If you're using Google Drive for desktop, make sure the application is running properly and has permission to access your local files. You can also restart the app if it appears to be stuck or showing sync errors. If the problem involves local files, check the folder permissions in Windows. Your account should have permission to read and write to that location. Yeah, incorrect Windows permissions can sometimes trigger access-related errors. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of Google Drive for desktop and an up-to-date web browser. Software updates often include fixes for authentication and permission-related issues. So after updating everything, try accessing the file again, and that's how to fix the Google Drive access denied error. In most cases, confirming the correct account, checking permissions, and refreshing your session will solve the problem. I mean, once you know where to look, it's usually a quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.